The Oricom Tyre Deflator Inflator Kits come in single, twin and quad packs, making airing up and down fast and hassle-free. Each kit includes quick connect valves and tough anti-kink hoses that won't tangle, so you can get back on the road without the frustration. With the quad pack, you can deflate all 4 tyres at once in just minutes, saving you time when heading off-road. They're compatible with all standard compressors and come with a premium digital gauge, so you can get accurate pressure readings every time. Just hook up a compressor, inflate to your desired PSI, and the system evenly distributes pressure across all 4 tyres. No more guesswork. Each pack includes a ventilated carry bag for easy storage and transport. And with heavy-duty brass fittings, they're built to handle harsh Aussie conditions. Order now from 100% Aussie-owned Oricom.